Potholes begin as cracks that appear on your asphalt surface as a result of heat and stress from vehicle traffic. During cold weather, water freezes and expands in these cracks, eventually leaving behind a hole. This video demonstrates how to successfully repair any potholes that may appear on your asphalt driveway. Before you begin, be sure to have the following items on hand. Your first step will be to clean out all loose material from the pothole. Then, square off the edges of the pothole using your chisel to ensure new filler material stays in place. Next, use your trowel to apply the filler into the pothole. If it's deeper than 2 inches, work in increments of 2-inch layers until you've added enough filler to form a small mound slightly above the level of the surrounding asphalt. Now you can grab your tamper and tamp the area. You could also use the end of a 2x4 if the hole is smaller than the tamper, and if larger, drive over a piece of plywood placed over the patch to get the level of filler material to match its surrounding surface. Allow the material to cure for at least 2 weeks before applying your Epoxyshield sealer.
Thank you for using Rust-Oleum. For nearly 100 years, we've been giving people the power to change.